In this tutorial, we will see how to compute the marginal revenue product using the chain rule. A bike manufacturer can have up to 30 people working on an assembly line. For W workers, the output Q is given by the following. And if the demand for these bikes is given by P equals 2,600 minus 25Q, find the marginal revenue product, dR/dW, when 21 people are working on the assembly line. Since the demand P depends on the quantity, then revenue will also depend on the quantity. Also, the quantity depends on the number of workers. Therefore, revenue, R, depends on quantity, Q, and quantity depends on workers, W. But to find the marginal revenue product, we need to differentiate revenue with respect to workers. So this uses the chain rule. In this case, we have dR/dW equals dR/dQ times dQ/dW. So we will compute these factors separately and then multiply them together after. For the first one, we need the revenue. Revenue is equal to price times quantity, and we're given the demand, P, so we'll multiply it by Q. So therefore, the derivative, dR/dQ, is 2,600 minus 50Q. Now to get the second part, we need to differentiate the output Q. So I'll rewrite what Q equals. So the derivative of Q with respect to W is found by using the chain rule. So this is the simplified form. Now I can multiply these together to get dR/dW. In this formula, we need to put a value in for W and Q. We are actually given that W equals 21. So to find Q, I'll just substitute 21 into the formula above. So when we simplify this, we get Q equals 12. So now we need to substitute W equals 21 and Q equals 12 into dR/dW. So I'll let you verify that the first factor simplifies to 2,000 and the second simplifies to 8. So dR/dW equals 16,000. And this completes the exercise.